Good morning. I hope that you're having a great day and that you are ready to learn. Your ears are listening, your eyes are looking, your lips are quiet, your hands are still, and your feet are still. Okay, now we're going to see who's here today. Remember how the song goes? Jade is here today. Jade is here today. Let's all clap our hands because Jade is here today. Now pause the video and do the song for each of our other friends. All right, it's time for our days of the week.
Days of the week, 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 days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, 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 days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week.
Pause the video and talk about what was yesterday, what is today, and what will tomorrow be. Did you name all the days of the week? Now it's time for our months of the year.
January, February, March and April, May and June and July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March and April, May and June and July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. These are the months of the year. Fill them with joy and with cheer. The months of the year.
What month are we in? Pause the video and talk about what month we're in. All right, now it's time to count our numbers. Pause the video and count to today's date. Can you say the whole thing? First say the day of the week, the month of the year, and then the date. Don't forget to say the year. Pause the video and take turns practicing saying the date. the weather like today? Pause the video and talk about the weather. I hope you have a great day at school. I miss you. Do a great job, and I will see you soon.